Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here again with another video to assist you in your German driving license Class B theory exam. In this lesson, we will explore the topic of lifelong learning and the consequence of violating traffic regulations. Let's get started. Understanding traffic rules is crucial for all drivers. It ensures safety, it reduces accidents, and requires lifelong learning. Drivers must continuously educate themselves on traffic regulations and adapt to new rules, promoting a safe driving habit. Let's understand what is disco accidents. You would have come across these terms with your exam pack. Disco accidents typically involves young, inexperienced drivers, especially in nightlife setting. Key risks include lack of experience, distractions, and increased accident likelihood during nighttime social activities. Key risks in nighttime social setting include lack of experience, distractions, and increased likelihood of accidents. Inexperienced individuals may make poor decisions, distractions can divert attention, and reduced visibility at night increases the chance of mishaps. Let's look at some of the factors contributing to disco accidents. Inexperience with night driving reduces visibility and it impacts your reaction time. Your full car occupancy, it might increases distractions, especially from other passengers, unknowingly creating distractions to the drivers. Young drivers often exhibit overconfidence and take risks due to inexperience. They struggle to assess danger accurately, and hence, defensive driving is the most appropriate to manage risk effectively and to stay safe on the road. Fatigue is a major cause of accidents. Recognize signs like yawning and difficulty in concentrating. Rest before night driving to stay alert. Know your limits to drive safely. I'm sure you know that new drivers face strict regulations during a 2-year probation period. Violations can lead to mandatory retraining and also potential license suspension. It's crucial to respect the rules to avoid penalties and to promote safe driving habits. There is a zero tolerance policy for any usage of alcohol for all drivers below the age of 21 and also for drivers who are in their probation period, which is 2 years of getting from 2 years of getting your license. It emphasizes the risks and legal consequences of any alcohol consumption before driving. Probation violations like running stop signs or other traffic infractions can lead to mandatory seminars. Retraining, of course, promotes safe driving attitudes and improve knowledge of traffic rules, but it is, of course, a lot of time investment. So, better prevent violating these rules, especially during your probation period. Participating in illegal road activities can lead to severe consequences, including potential jail time and permanent license revocation. And hence it's crucial to view safe driving as lifelong responsibility. Let's look at some of the key takeaways. Safe driving is a lifelong commitment, especially for young drivers. It is important to avoid distractions. It's important to respect traffic rules and be proactive for your own safety. That's all with this video. I will see you in the next one.